What's really good on my day one? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is sponsored by a company called Accumed. The reason why I decided to work with them is because you guys know I am in the medical industry and I am a registered nurse going for my master's. They sent over what is called a massage gun massager. For those who know, I do have one already. I've been using it for about a month already and I love it. Now I wanted to test their product because I know that on the market right now there is so much variability when it comes to buying a massage gun and should you use it. And I will tell you this right now that they are worth it. But the question is, does price and quality matter? That's a good question. And I believe it does because I paid about $350 for mine. And the one that they sent over on Amazon right now is $179.99. But there is a coupon that you can apply and you can get it for $169.99. Now I want to do this unboxing right here and I'll show you what I use it for, basically for active recovery, and it helps a lot with like the knots and stuff in your muscles. So I'll show you what I use it for in the gym, and I think it's better that way so we could get an actual review of this specific product. All right, here we have the Accumed Massage Gun. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start opening this up. The good thing is about this, it comes with a case. The other one that I bought did not come with a case, and they were trying to have me pay an extra like $50 or something for it. Now I am really impressed that it does come with a case for the price, and what I really want to stress is the quality. But we'll get a little bit further into detail with that the more that I use it. Wow. So here inside, of course, you got the pamphlet. Dang, this is nice. This is actually nice for the price. Wow. It has a little bit of weight to it. That's the good thing. It says please tear off before use. So we'll tear that off. If I can tear it off. Now, what I like about this so far is, even though I haven't used it, it comes with 5 different settings compared to the other brand that I have. It comes with 4 basic heads. I honestly don't know what to call these. This right here, all I know, this helps with like your biceps and also your spine, especially if there's like 2 muscle groups that go down together. This I really like to use specifically for like your chest and like the bigger muscle groups, and this is like the more sensitive muscles after you've worked out. And for me, this is like more so like on the areas where there's a little bit more tendon or whatnot, and helps with recovery. Let's see if this has power on it already. So wow, so that's number 1. And hold on, let me grab one of these really quick, plug it in. Let's see how the levels are. Level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holy bit. Wow, it's actually pretty quiet. But I usually don't go past level 3 on my other one because that's pretty much all that you need. Like for example, you wanna massage your arms. That is crazy. But I'm gonna bring this to the gym tonight, test it out a little bit more so you guys get to see it in hand. So I'll see you guys at the gym. I apologize in advance with how loud it is, but before we start working out, we're gonna do what's called myofascial release points. Myofascia meaning muscle release points. So when you work out constantly, you get knots inside your muscles, and it gets really tense. That's why you get like a lot of like tense areas in your muscles. Since we're working with a lot of bigger muscles today, which are the chest and the shoulders, we need to use something that's gonna hit like more surface areas. So we're gonna use this, the flat area, rather than the ball. And we're gonna stretch out after we're done releasing a lot of these like tensions, or these tension points. So Alright, so in regards to buying a massage gun, it really does depend on your outlook and what people vouch for. So there is another brand that I use, but I will not mention it because this video has been sponsored by Accumed, and I will say this, that I have been using this for almost a week now, and I'm actually really impressed by the fact that there are 5 speeds on this specific one compared to the one that I was using, which is 3 speeds. I like the fact that this is a little bit lighter than the other one, and also the battery has been very great. I've only had to initially charge it to full battery, and I've not had to recharge it. One thing to take note of is when you are hitting your muscle groups, you should be massaging for about 30 seconds per muscle group, with a total of 3 to 4 sets. That's really breaking down the myofascial, and you really want to get those knots out the way because that's what causes a lot of stiffness, and for the most part it's helped a lot with like my range of motion, also my recovery. I drink BCAAs on the side with the recovery, and also supplements it with a meal. But besides that, I want to say thank you to Accumed for sending this over. I enjoy the product. I will continue to use this on top of the other one that I have. But if you guys want to know more about this specific product, I will leave a link down below. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this answers some of you guys' questions. Y'all take care, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Cheers.